To make sure every machine is well tested before the mass production, we will do a couple of trial producing and also numerous tests. This includes smart camera test, infrared calibration test, and also job test. And today we're going to see is the function test. And this function test includes 16 function tests. So you can see here our colleagues doing the machine function test. And this includes the USB connection test, Wi-Fi connection test, and also the lid opening test. So doing this test, you will see that the machine will automatically stop when the lid is opened. And also we are doing the infrared distance measurement test and also the button indication light test and also the rotary attachment test. So you can see here our colleague is connected to the rotary attachment and putting on the cylindrical object to see if the rotary attachment can function just right. So now we are doing the leveling test for the bottom plate. So this test will make sure that the whole bottom plate will be flat and leveled. So you can see here, everything here is green. That means testing result is pass. And if any of here turns red, that means testing result does not pass, and we will have to eliminate the bottom plate. So here is one of our laser assembly workshop. You can see our colleagues are doing the assembly work here. And here are LaserBox Pro, LaserBox Rotary, and also in the future, M1 will also do the assembly work here and also in other places. So now we are doing the packaging. You can see that our colleague is putting the accessories into the model. So now we are doing a job test from different angles to different surfaces. This will make sure the machine won't be broken during the long distance transportation. You can see that we are doing the test from different surfaces of the machine and angles. So that's pretty much for today's factory tour, and I believe M1 cannot wait to see you all. So please back us now and see you next time in our live demo. Bye bye!